With today's idioms and their origins, we are looking at the phrase, a penny saved is a penny earned. Its definition. If you're having a penny saved is a penny earned, you're keeping what you do not spend. There is some thrift. There is placing value in saving money. Now, our origin comes from the United Kingdom in 1640. The first time we see it is in George Herbert's Outlandish Proverbs, and it's first in print by stating, although they can afford to buy a house now, they're putting it off on the principle of a penny saved. Now, that's not our entire idiom, but the first time we see it in print is in a Proverbs section, which tells us this particular phrase has already been in normal use before 1640. Now, of course, we here in America know Benjamin Franklin usually gets the credit for this particular phrase, but he doesn't need it because he writes a penny saved is 2 pence clear in his 1737's Poor Richard's Almanac. Now, he will try it again in 1758, but he writes a penny saved is a penny got. So we don't see this particular phrase from Benjamin Franklin. In fact, we don't actually see it until the late 19th century when it actually is accredited to him. Now, I do want to note that in the 21st century basics of money management, they're turning the phrase around with the online gurus claiming a penny earned is a penny saved. But of course, then that's not going to be the same definition.